Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes from scratch. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sift these together into a large mixing bowl. This crucial step helps to aerate the flour, ensuring your pancakes are wonderfully light and fluffy, and prevents any unwanted lumps in the batter. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir gently until everything is just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually a good sign and will result in more tender, delicious pancakes. Now it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the top and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious homemade pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether that's classic maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze them for longer. And hey, while you're enjoying these, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.